My name is Ian, and today we're going to be going over sprint number 5 from our 12507 release. Sprint number 5 reads, Nathan is playing a game in which he rolls 2 standard 6-sided dice. If the sum of the numbers he rolls is divisible by 2 but not 3, then he wins $5. If the sum of the numbers he rolls is divisible by 3 but not 2, then he wins $10. However, if the sum of the numbers he rolls is divisible by both 2 and 3, then he loses $25. If none of these conditions are met, then he neither wins nor loses money. Compute the expected number of dollars that Nathan wins each time he rolls the dice. Now, first of all, there's 6 times 6 or 36 total possibilities when Nathan rolls the dice, so every outcome has a 1/36th chance of happening. Now let's go ahead and split this into casework based on the conditions of him winning or losing money. He's going to win $5 if the sum of the numbers he rolls is by 2 or not 3, which means that he's going to win $5 if he rolls a 2, 4, an 8, or a 10. He'll win $10 if the number is divisible by 3 but not 2, which means that he'll win $10 if he rolls a sum of 3 or 9. And he loses $25 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3, or divisible by 6, which means he loses $25 if he rolls a sum of 6 or 12. So let's do casework. If he wins 5, then he can roll a 2 in one way. He rolls a 1 on both dice. He can roll a 4 if he rolls a 1 and a 3, a 2 and a 2, or a 3 and a 1. So that's 3 ways. He can roll an 8 if he rolls anything between 2 and 6 and 2, which he can do in 5 total ways. And he rolls a 10 in the case where he rolls a 5 and a 5, a 6 and a 4, or a 4 and a 6, so 3 ways. For a total of 12 ways for Nathan to win $5. He wins $10 if he rolls a 3 or a 9. There are 2 ways to roll a sum of 3, 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. And there are 4 ways to roll a sum of 9, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, and 6 and 3. For a total of 2 plus 4, or 6 ways for him to lose $10, or to win $10. And he loses $25 if he rolls a 6 or a 12. There's 1 way for him to roll a sum of 12, that's 6 and 6. And there's 5 ways to roll a sum of 6, for a total of 6 cases where he loses money. Every other outcome won't win or lose Nathan money, so since that would contribute a value of 0 to our final expected value, we can ignore those outcomes. So our expected number of dollars is going to be 1/36 times our 12 cases where he wins $5, plus our 6 cases where he wins $10, minus our 6 cases where he loses $25, which, calculating, comes out to a final answer of negative 30/36 or negative 5/6 dollars, which is our answer. Thank you.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.